Yo, what's good, everybody? Sorry, my voice is shot. Absolutely shot. It is on its last leg. So I might not be doing a lot of talking this evening, but how's everybody doing? How was your trading day? Oh, man, looks like we're kind of stuck in a range tonight, huh? I haven't really done much analysis since I got off the charts earlier. Looks like we went down to 25K, tested that and bounced. No, I'm not sick. I feel okay. It's just the voice is shot. The voice is shot. Too much yelling at my monitors lately, apparently. Today was a good day for me. Today was a real good day for me. I ended up having a 6K day, and I was happy with it. I caught the short side a couple times. What design? You were short and you got liquidated? Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Oh, thanks, Lance. I appreciate you. Yeah, guys. Every time you guys use code WES, it helps a little bit. Obviously, I don't promote them a lot. You know, they're not plastered all over my screen. But I do appreciate it every time you guys use code WES. Did I short gold? No, I shorted the Nas. I actually posted it on X, two of the big trades. I posted it on X and Instagram today. Also posted it in the Discord. So yeah, I had a real nice day. Real nice day. So needless to say, if my voice continues to be like this, it might be a very short stream or I might not talk a lot this evening. So, we came down. The daily 50 SMA is sitting at 25,054 currently. So, we are currently holding above that. So there is a chance that we could catch a bounce, a relief bounce, here at some point, especially after that much downside on a day. I'm kind of hoping the sell side continues below 25K. If I'm being 100% honest, I'd like to see 24.8 get traded. But yeah, I don't know what to expect now after such a massive move. A lot of times what we see during the Asia session is a period of consolidation and range after we have a big sell day like that. So just be prepared for some range action. I'm going to probably just be scalping if I do get into a trade, you know, looking for 10 to 15 points, and that'll probably be it for me for the night. So how are you guys doing? Are you guys trading this evening? Are we green? Are we red? How'd we do today? Warm honey with milk. Maybe some rubber whiskey. Red, good call. I'm trading. CB, you're up $30 so far. That's nice. Green is green, my friend. Green is green. I'd like to see a little bit of a play outside of the range, just to see if we can get some sort of continuation move, or if we're just going to be slapped back into the range. But I'd like to see it break outside of like 160 or below 100. Red across the board. Oh, no, Puneet, that sucks. I'm sorry. Kelly, you're up 214. Scalping one micro at a time. That's a great night, actually. What's up, Doug? How are you? Yeah, sorry, I didn't give everybody the hello. Let's see here. Good evening, Adam. Charles, 44. CB. Patel. Obviously, Red. A good morning from Guam. Man, Red, you are a world traveler these days. I tell you what. Charles, Ms. Rain, Mel, Paul, Lance, Puneet, obviously, Kelly, Lance, Sovereignty. Sovereignty, did you win? I don't know. Did you? Good evening, Ahmed. Lit. Johan. James. George. Zabak. Design. Yeah, my voice is gone, Design. It's gone. I mean, you guys can hear it probably. It's shot. It's gone. Absolutely wrecked. We got about 82 people in here tonight. Let's be on the lookout for the dreaded bots this evening. They tried to get us last night, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Right when we were ending the stream. Hey, what's up, Rice? How are you? Right when we were ending the stream, they tried to get us last minute. Did you notice that? Got the streamer voice. Yeah, Red. Honestly, I think it's from yelling at my monitor, to tell you the truth, which normally doesn't happen for me, but it wasn't so much today. This morning, I didn't yell. It was yesterday during the day. I took about 1 million break evens yesterday and got tired of it. I was pissed, and then would watch the market immediately either top tick or bottom tick my trade for a break even, and then go. It was one of those days. Sovereignty, have a smoke. Yeah, I'm not a smoker. My goodness, what are we doing here? I mean, I would think that a lot of this volume would want to be getting grabbed, but there's still selling pressure, which is what's keeping us weighted down. But I feel like price needs to go higher before we can get the continued sell-off. Yeah, 100 to go. It is chop for sure. It's a wide chop, so there's money to be made in there. But, man. Yeah, it looks like just buy above 100 and sell it like, what, 140? I mean, that's 40 points. What's up, Tim? How are you? But yeah, guys, today was great. Today was great. I don't know if you guys saw, but I think Lanto did it again. I saw on X that he had posted a position that he was short 60 minis from above 400 and was still holding. So he might have had another half a mil day. Yeah, I think he's probably like, what's up, Hyder? How are you? He's probably, I don't know, over the last week and a half, up like 2.5 mil, something like that. Just max leverage. Max leverage. Just slinging it and holding. I know, Pieter, it's gone. The voice is gone. The voice is gone. I don't know how long it's going to last. Pretty soon I won't even be able to project any volume. Yeah, Bash, you kind of want to get a look outside of the range first. If you're really good at playing ranges, that's great. I've never been really good at that. So normally what I do with ranges, especially like tighter consolidation, where you've kind of got the wedge forming, you know, is what I'll do is I'll draw the trend, the top and the bottom channel. And then I'll wait for the break outside, the retest, and then the play. If it falls back inside, I'll play the range down or up. That's how I deal with wedge and range. Yeah, Red, I'm not sure. We are above the daily 50. We did kind of bounce it today. It's at 25,050. So we could kind of meander our way back up. You know, maybe back up to the 50% retracement of today's candle, which would be, I don't know, what would that be? Let me check here. So 360-ish, 25,360-ish would be the 50%. Hey, what's up, Julio? How are you? All right, guys. We got over 100 people in here. Thanks for tuning in tonight. Smash that thumbs up button. I apologize for the voice. I know it can't sound great on your end. It's gone. Julio. No, I feel fine. It's just the voice is gone. The vocal cords are shot. Yeah, I'd like to see some sort of retracement. It's going to be hard to short the lows. It's definitely going to be hard to short shameless vocal cords. Yeah. Yeah, they're shot. They're gone. Completely gone. May need to tone down those after trading parties. No, it's just obviously streaming is a lot of talking. The yelling at my monitors the other day didn't help. Yelling at the Nasdaq. Yeah, no, I was definitely. Oh yeah, call me. Yeah, the bots have grabbed my vocal cords for sure. Did you guys notice they tried to sneak in at the end of the stream? We went from like I don't know, like 300 people in the stream to right when I was getting off at being over 2K, and in like a minute's time. They tried to get us last night too. All right, we are coming into those lows now. Let's adjust this a little bit. Make it line up here. Had an extremely oversold reading. I mean, it was heavy today. It definitely got heavy. But guys, we need a couple heavy days. Like we have been overbought and overextended for so long. We really need a lot of downside. Like guys, it was only what, like a 2% move? You know, it felt crazy because the amount of points that percentage moves are now on NQ. But really, we need one of those 4% down days. We need them. Like it's got to come back to reality at some point. These big tech companies can't keep shuffling around trillions of dollars to each other and reporting massive earnings, you know? Like it just can't happen. So we need to sell off. We do need to sell off. You know, come back to reality a little bit. You know, the Nas should be probably trading around, I don't know, 21, 22K, somewhere around there. So come on back to reality a little bit. First time in a year you got tricked by options data today, T. Cooper? Was it one of those days for options? You're thriving. Well, okay, Tim, I mean, yeah, my long-term stuff doesn't need it either. However, what's up, Fletch? Where you been, brother? It was Fletcher who stole my voice, guys. It was Fletcher. It was Fletcher. What is gold doing? Design. Oh, yeah. You guys remember what I said last night? You do have that effect, Fletch? How you been, Fletcher? How you been? All right, guys. People still slowly filing in. I'm sure people are going to tune in and be like, what's wrong with your voice about 1 million times tonight? So I'll probably have to explain that a few times. No giveaways tonight. I've got nothing, no more to give. I've got no more free giveaways. Currently. Yeah, T. Cooper, a lot of the people that I trade with use the options data quite a bit. Maybe pin my health status. I feel healthy. Like, I feel fine. What's up, Tommy? Yeah, Fletch, everything's great, brother. Everything's great. Aside from not having a voice. Everything's great. But thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Horrible sound and all. Oil straight up. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, the commodities should be doing... Wow. Well, yeah, I mean... It doesn't really matter what ticker you're looking at. Just to give you guys reference. When you see these straight, these straight moves through price... Generally, when it does start retracing, it is going to be kind of a similar move on the other side. So this move actually makes sense. Is there news driving this pump up? What's up, Lorenzo? How are you? Nas just doing the range thing. What's up, JB? Design tempted to short. I heard, well, silver's at all-time highs, right? What's up, Lambra? How are you? Silver's rejected at all-time highs. Let me take a look at silver real quick. Okay, so it got up to what, like 54.5? No, 54.4, 54.4? Just above it. Jeez, what a moonshot. Nice, Kelly. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably going to be in scalp mode. I'm probably going to be in scalp mode tonight. Are you guys actively trading this range? Exclamation point Wes. No giveaways tonight, guys. You don't have to put in exclamation point Wes. There's no giveaways. Just to give you a heads up. Well, look at what you started, Lambra. Look at what you started. Just in case, though. Yeah, there's no giveaways tonight. Exclamation point Wes will. I mean, you can type it if you want, but it's not gonna do anything. Exclamation point West for morale. Exclamation point sideways. Yeah, JB, I don't have any more freebies to give away currently. I'm sorry. The way the giveaways work is when you guys use code WES at time of purchase for your prop accounts. For those of you interested, I do have codes, obviously, or a code. I got a code with Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Lucid, Bullinox. Who else? I can't even remember. I'll be honest with you. Trade Day. I got one with Trade Day too. That's probably going to be the next prop that I purchase an evaluation with is going to be Trade Day because I want to give them a shot. Hey, what's up, 44? How are ya? What's up, Aragorn? How are ya? Been a little while. Oh, thanks, Kelly. Appreciate you. Yeah, every little bit helps, but that's how the giveaways work. It's kind of like the way they give bonuses for the amount of times that your code's used. So it's kind of like set up like a sales structure almost. What's up, Indian Burn? How are you? Puneet, I'm waiting for the break outside of the range. Not that we're ever going to get it tonight. Tonight might be one of those nights where I just don't catch a trade. But range trading's not in my wheelhouse, and I know to stay away from it. There are people who obviously trade it really well. Yeah, Chicken Trader, Lucid's amazing. Lucid's been a great prop. Nearly instant payouts at time of request. So it's been great. Indian Burn, I should have a guest to take the load off the... No, I'm not sick. I feel fine, guys. I feel fine. I went to the gym today, everything. I feel fine. There's no fever. I broke the market, Michael. It's just the voice is gone. Alexandra, I prefer the 50Ks if you're asking me. The 25Ks, single day to pass, you could definitely be in the funded, but it only gives you $1,000 of drawdown. So I prefer the 50Ks. It gives you a little more wiggle room. You got to earn a little bit more, but yeah. Yeah, Chicken Trader, that's right. You can take as long as you want. As long as you want in their eval. There's no monthly rebill. Oh, wow, guys. They added a new feature on YouTube that is members only live streams now. We might have to explore that at some point. We might have to explore that at some point. Maybe I could do like my pre-market analysis instead of typing it out in the Discord. Maybe do a members only live stream for the pre-market analysis, huh? All 10 of us can hang out. Oh, scapulary. Oh, you want the levels? I haven't really messed around with the levels since like these levels down here have just been there the whole time. Patel, it's code WES, all caps at Lucid. It's code WES, all caps with all of them, as far as the discount code is concerned. The 25Ks currently, I think, are $60 with code WES. The 50Ks are like, I want to say somewhere around $80. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but yeah, it obviously goes up from there. What design? The round trip for silver on Tradeify is $620? That's crazy. Paying nearly $7 for a round trip trade? That is crazy. Oh, thanks for the reminder, Nightbot. Yeah, guys, if you could, give me a follow on X if you are on X. We're trying to get those followers up so we can start live streaming on X as well, and on Instagram too. Per point, Scapular, $25. $25 per point. I think. Or is it $25 a tick? I can't remember. Is it $25 a tick? So yeah, $25 per point. No, it moves in fives, doesn't it? It moves in 5-point increments. Is that right? Yeah, it moves in fives. 25 a tick? Yeah, that's crazy. Way over leveraged. Okay, are we going to get some movement? Is gold doing anything? Oh, yeah, gold is going up. Wish I would have grabbed this long. Mel, it's kind of hard to tell. You kind of need a break. You need a break at this point. It's probably just going to keep tightening. So I'll extend this out. It's probably going to just keep constricting until it does get the break. And then you can play the break if you want to. I normally wait for a retest. Hey, JB, thanks for the support, brother. If you're a member on Level Up, make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. And that'll give you access to my pre-market trading plans each morning. Thank you again. Man, guys, I cannot talk. Frustrating. Frustrating trying to push sound out. What's up, Jeff? How are you? I mean, look at this VWAP chop. No, Mel, I haven't tried it. I haven't done anything for it yet. Like, I tried not to talk a lot this afternoon. I went to the gym. I worked out, you know. I kind of just made some dinner, relaxed. But I haven't tried like any remedies for it. Obviously, streaming and talking consistently doesn't help, probably. But we roll. Throat coat tea. Hey, thanks for the sub, Michael. I appreciate you. We're just kind of waiting to get out of this range, guys. That's what we're waiting on. I mean, ES ain't moving around either. YM is YM doing the same thing. Yep, YM sideways. Looks like RTY's kind of moving around a little bit, but nothing to do here. The long on gold is gone at this point. CL. I don't know what I'm doing on CL. I've never taken a trade on oil. Oh man, you're right back in the little range here. Hey, thanks for the subs, guys. I appreciate you. Oh, Diamond, thanks for the membership as well. Make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile so that you get access to those pre-market trading plans. Yeah, guys, we might have to try out the members-only live streams. That seems like a pretty cool feature. Little secret bonus streams. Hey, Indian Burn. Yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up. Testing to see if you joined, JB. Nice. Nice. Oh, my goodness. The NAS has come to a screeching halt. What happened here? Yeah, did somebody turn the networks off? Like, did somebody just halt trading? What's going on here? Everything's just come to a halt. It's not moving. Is there news? Yeah, Kelly, I don't know what to do. Yeah, this is just kind of tightening. Everything's come to this point at like around 120 to 130 and is just stuck. Timeout card pulled. Yeah, the market just died. And it's not even moving. Thanks, Rehan. Appreciate you. Iron Condor. We're going to start throwing option strategies out there. The market's just tired. They're on a break. Yeah. Everybody's taking a breath right now. My vocal pipes need a breath. Man. Someone call Step, bro. Hey, what's up, KDP? How are you? Tommy, you've got options on and you're really glad you're seeing it? Smoke break. Oh, man. Everybody went to the bathroom at the same time? Yeah, this is brutal. NQ and cardiac arrest after today. I mean, it really wasn't like where did we open up at today? Like actual like regular trading hours, right? Like 500 somewhere around there. Is that right? Did we open up at 25,500? So it was really only like 500 points at downside, which obviously felt like a lot with how volatile it was. But it's not that big of a move. Like it's not that big of a move. We've seen 1,000-point moves. You know, when it gets really volatile like that. Kelly, it's literally a straight line. It's like the trash compactor scene in Star Wars. Yeah, 2%. Oh. Are they back from their smoke break? Are they back from their smoke break? Let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can get in. Let's go for a little scalp here. 10 points. Stop just below VWAP. Let's try it. Let's just have some fun. I mean, all this volume sitting above current price. So let's see if we can get that sweep. Immediately, any bit of aggressive selling is like immediate 5-point slaps. Come on, push higher. Let's go, Naz. We're only shooting for 10 points. You can do it. You can do it, Naz. Let's go. KDP. Yeah, my voice is gone. Shot. Completely shot. Oh, come on, Naz. Don't you dare reject 41 again. Come on, you can run those highs. You can do it. Look at these sellers. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going, Naz? Where are you going? Ow. Boo. 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 I guess I probably should put a stop in, huh? We'll go below 120. Oh, you need my stop so you can enter there, Francois? Or Indian Burn, I'm in? All right, it's in there. The stop's in. If we get a push above 40, I'll go break even. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to pull my target up. Because I think if we do get above here, we're probably going to run those highs. I'll go like 152. Man, it's just going to fall right back into the range, isn't it? Scalpular. Yeah, it's kind of like a 1-to-1 now. Come on, get above 40. Get up there. Yes. We're break even. Get going, Naz. Get going. Surge. Surge. Ah, it's just so, it's so weak. It's so weak. Oh my goodness. It just slides around. A negative RR? Yeah, you can do it because you're giving it a lot of room to breathe. Really, Naz? Okay. Well, I'm up $10, guys. I'm up $10. Yeah, scalpulate. Oh yeah, negative R to R for sure. Yeah, it can definitely do some damage. You gotta you'll have a really high win rate, but you're right. One loss will take away like probably 4 winning trades. Fletcher, you got faith in the FVG? I mean, I think it's going higher eventually. I just don't know how much. I just don't know how much whipping around it wants to do. You know, that's why I don't like trading inside the range. It's why I prefer to have, you know, the break on one side of it, of the wedge, and then a retest. Yeah, true. No, facts. 100%. All right, we got about 160 people in here right now. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I apologize for my lack of voice. My vocal cords are shot. Smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. A wedge within a wedge. Yeah, I know. It looks like the 140 short is still in play. I mean, because technically, right, if you're on a 1 minute chart, you got this wedge, a wedge within a wedge. But this is just, I mean, it's gross. It's gross. Fletch, you're mega flat. Yeah, it's just gross. Just gross. Just back and forth. Well, I'm happy I put that stop in now. Wait, iJazz, you bought one Lucid 150K direct to funded, and they gave you a 25K extra account. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice bonus. That's a real nice bonus. Congratulations on the freebie account. Scapular, no, I mean, so if I really want to look at like cumulative volume delta, I would just go to time statistics here. Come down to cumulative delta, put it on, enable this. And I can see kind of everything that's going on within a candle if I really wanted to. Just got to zoom in. I can eliminate some of these, but you can kind of tell what each of them are. You know, this is the volume, the number of trades that are being placed. Then you got delta. You got the shift in percentage on delta. You got cumulative volume delta. But where I read delta from is over here on my footprint chart. This is a delta footprint chart, a cumulative delta footprint chart. I got total volume and delta and cumulative delta over here on the right-hand side of the candles. But I can pretty much see what's going on this, to tell you the truth. This will give me that same kind of read. You know, I'd imagine on a delta reading, you know, absorption and exhaustion would probably be like delta divergence. Would probably look like the same thing. Scapular, I haven't heard anything about buy one, get one free. I have not heard anything about that. iJazz purchased, well, he purchased one of their largest accounts, 150K direct to funded. Giovanni, why trade at this time of night? Sometimes you get good movement during the Asia session. For me, I never used to trade the Asia session. However, YouTube channel wise and streaming wise, your channel doesn't grow when you're trying to compete with the guys who have 200,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers during the New York session. So that's why I stream at night. How long does it take to be a six-figure trader if you keep locking in the $15 winners? Depends. I guess it depends on how many $15 winners you take. You take a lot of $15 winners. Yeah, but Giovanni, you can make a lot of money on the overnights. There's money to be made. Gold moves around pretty well. There's definitely things you can trade at night to make some passive income, or even a full-time income if you're trading gold, to tell you the truth. 66,666 trades to make you a millionaire. But there's definitely money to be made. Nice, Kelly. See you in 2088. Oh, man. Man, guys, it's probably going to be a short stream. My voice is gone. It's gone. Yeah, Kelly, my entry on gold would have been down here. Mind going over physical setup? Giovanni, what's my strategy with little volatility? I was sitting on hands. You know, when it's slow like this, the likelihood of me taking, you know, a good trade is unlikely. Right now, you're kind of just constricting. We're waiting for the break outside the wedge. When it does get that break, you could get some volatility and some movement. But we're kind of pinned still. So what a lot of people are doing is they're playing this 40 to, well, right now it's probably the 20 range, the 140 to 120 range, which is a $400 move per mini contract. You know, if you've been playing the 40 to 100 range here most of the night, there's a lot of money to be made. You know, that's $800 per mini contract back and forth if you can define the range. But my strategy right now is to do nothing, to be perfectly honest. Honestly, Giovanni, trading, 95% of trading is waiting around anyway. Even during regular trading hours. 95% of trading is waiting around. $77 trades today, Kelly? Jeez, dude. I mean, good on you. 100% win rate on 77 trades. I mean, I don't know how you do it. That's a lot of anxiety. Well, I guess if you're trading micros, it's not that bad. But that's some anxiety for me. Oh, Giovanni, you want the higher leverage on gold? I mean, gold's moving. Gold's moving, definitely. That's definitely probably the thing. This is probably where you're going to want to, you know, most night Asia sessions, this is what a lot of people trade just because it does tend to move a lot more than the US indexes, obviously. No, Patrick, I traded NQ. I traded NQ today. I'm a 1 to 2 mini kind of trader. I don't really like I don't go in max leverage. I'm no Lanto with 60 minis on short from 25,400. But yeah. What's up, Trades by Slade? How are you? But yeah, gold's getting some good movement. So if you're in the gold longs, GG's. Giovanni, for news or market catalysts, Financial Juice is a free one. It's not the best. There's others that you can go to as well. Chad, do you have any newsfeed recommendations for what you use for economic releases and stuff like that? Man, my voice is shot. Absolutely shot. All right, are we finally going to get the breakout? Come on. Let's go. Let's break the wedge. You got all this volume stacked in higher. All this volume. This is looking like the magnet up here. Forex Factory, okay. Now, what I'm going to be looking for, guys, on this is going to be probably something like... Probably something like this. I'm going to wait for the break. We'll let it pull back. And then I'm going to see if this trend line holds for a long. Or it's just going to fall right back into the range. Or we're just going to reject 140 again. I don't know. Market's just dead. What's up, Faye? How are you? All right, overall, guys, I mean, I'm looking at... Where did all the volume go? Apparently, people think they're on a smoke break. People think all traders around the world are on a simultaneous smoke break. Central pivot's up at 272. Like I said, the 50% retracement of today's candle's up at 360. It feels like we probably need to try and backfill some of this at least up into 200 again. That is where a lot of the orders on the books are resting right now. There's not a lot below current price. So I'm thinking it could just kind of be one of those slow grind up kind of nights. Maybe back up into central pivot up here at 270-ish for that move down into the 820s tomorrow. Unfortunately for me on the short side now, I'm going to have to see price holding below 100. I mean, that's the only move that I'm really interested in, and really below 95. Kelly, you'd love to hold trades like me. Sometimes it's detrimental. If you don't have really good entries, holding trades, you know, it's a lot of break evens, a lot of headaches. Yes, that is how I make my money, is taking a lot of break evens for the one big trade. But like I said, I'm not Lanto over here, Kelly. I'm not holding 60 minis short for $500,000. Today was a good. I had a couple big trades today. Let's see if I can find him. Let's see if I can find him. Oh, for those of you that are curious, this was Lanto's position today. Absurd. Absolutely absurd. All right, this was one of them. This was one of my trades today. I was short from 306, targeting 125. That one hit. And then, let's see, where was my other one? There it is. And this was my other trade. Took me about 4 tries to get on this one to finally get it to go. But those were a couple of the big ones today. Yeah, no, I didn't take any heat on either of those, really. There was a couple points where it started coming back because it was whipping around so much. But yeah. Yeah, Fletcher, that's Lantos. Is that what you're talking about? Lantos trades? He's done that like 4 or 5 times over the last week and a half. He's done that 4 or 5 times over the last week and a half. He's on live accounts with Take Profit Trader, though. He's copy trading 5 live accounts. But he's obviously going max size. Take Profit Trader allows you to have multiple live accounts with them. So he's copy trading 5 of them. Fletcher, he's just one of the young ICT guys. You know, he's on Brian Stonk's channel quite a bit. But yeah, he's just one of the young ICT strategy guys. You know, that when they see heavy downside incoming, they just throw on max size. He's banked. He's banked millions, over 2 million, easy, in the last 2 weeks. Faye, I execute on the 5-minute. The 1 minute gets a little bit too much back and forth for me. So during regular trading hours, I execute on the 5-minute. Analysis is done on nothing lower than a 30-minute. Yeah, KDP. I mean, obviously he had to build up those accounts because they're live accounts, right? So he's got a decent buffer on him. So he can afford to do that, you know? No, Kelly, I'd imagine the way you get there is obviously get through the test, right? With Take Profit Trader, the test is 5 winning trading days. And then try to get super aggressive to get past the intraday trailing immediately. You know, I don't know how many accounts he failed in the meantime. Hey, Razvan, thank you. Thank you for the membership purchase. Appreciate you. Like, I don't know how many... I don't know what the full story is behind all those. You know, like how he got to where it is or where his balances are. I don't know how many accounts how many evaluations he went through or how many times he failed fundeds or anything like that. I don't know that. It could be 0. It could be hundreds. All I know is what's been posted over the last couple weeks. All right. Looks like we might be getting that move up. It's looking like it's going to be slow on the way up there, though. Yeah, Patrick, you can purchase 5 evaluations or tests and try to pass them all at once, for sure. But once you have a big enough balance from YOLOing, you know, you can kind of wait for those, you know, those big levels to just hit it, you know. You know, especially if there's volatility and the VIX is up there, you know, a big day's coming. You know, if you're on the right side of it and you're max leverage, things like that can happen, especially with no consistency, you know. Those are all Pro Plus accounts. Patrick, I'm not sure. You know, it would be nice. Like, don't get me wrong. Seeing those kind of figures is definitely, there's that lure there, but I'm just not, I don't know that I would ever be comfortable putting on that kind of size. You know, even looking at something like that gives me an aneurysm. So, like, I don't know. I'm more capital preservation than I am aggressive YOLO, could lose it all kind of deal. The guys that make that kind of money are willing to lose it all. I'm not willing to lose it all. You know, I've definitely seen people, you know, I've seen traders hit $1 million days. I've seen it happen. But I've also seen those very same traders go broke about 8 times before they get there. You know, completely depressed, on the edge of the cliff, down in the dumps. Don't know if they're going to recover. So, I mean, I've seen it. I've seen it all. So I guess it all depends. Is the money worth your health and your happiness, you know? Because let's face it, those kind of traders are the 0.0001%. They are 0.000001%. Scalpulator, they don't know that it's going to make that big of a move. They get in and they hold and they ride. And it's not even like ICT traders. Like, ICT's strats preach logical targets. To trade like that, you're trading a swing position, literally. You're entering a swing position and YOLOing. It's not an intraday position. It's a swing position. What's up, DeMonte? How are you? We were just talking about Lanto's big couple weeks. But yeah, generally when you get those big, that volatile downside move, especially with where he entered, you know, he's right above 400. You know, when you're looking at price up there, he entered right in here. So there's a chance that he actually went crazy drawdown, right? Because this is this morning. This is this morning. So there is a chance that he took some serious heat initially. And why he entered here, I'm looking for it. I mean, there's not a lot there. Yeah, I don't know when he entered the position for sure. I have no idea. But there is that chance that he that he took some heat there. There is that chance. No, his position wasn't 25,540. It was let's see if I can find it. He was 25,409.61. So he layered in. He layered into the position. So he probably, his initial might have even been down here somewhere and then just layered into the position. So his average was 409.61. Oh, my bad. Yeah, because that's an odd number. So he layered in. Oh yeah, Camille. He was copy trading 5 live accounts with Take Profit Trader. So I think on the live accounts, Take Profit Trader claims 10%. So they're probably like, just keep going, bro. just keep going. Just keep banking. No, and a heck of a couple weeks. Good on him. Happy for him for sure. That's amazing. But quite frankly, he's to the point now where he should probably just give up on the prop thing. You know, when you got that much money, there's zero reason to give the prop 10%. At that point, there's zero reason. I'm surprised he's still doing it. You know, to be fair, I'm actually surprised he's still doing it, unless they've got him signed to a contract or something like that on top of it. But go ahead and at that point, yeah, you just trade your own account. CB Lanto. He's got a couple videos on YouTube, but he doesn't have a lot of content. I know he's friends with Brian Stonk on YouTube. He's on his live streams, once or twice a week, I think. So I know they're buddies. He's been killing it. He had 3 straight days last week where he was over 500K each day. I think he made like 1.7K in 3 days last week. He might have made over 2 mil last week. I don't know. I have no idea. It's crazy. Good on him. But for those of you that are just beginning trading, that's not the reality for most. Just to give you a heads up, that is not the reality. It is just not. I mean, you're going to endure a lot of pain along the way normally in order to get to that point in time where you can afford to do that. Trades like that, you're willing to risk $100,000, $200,000 per trade. That's your risk on trades like that. Sometimes more, 300,000, 400,000, who knows? A 1-to-1 on that trade is over $400,000. 2-to-1 is $200,000. So it's like, Yeah, I don't know. That's a different kind of trading to what what I'm looking at. That's for sure. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. But I don't have the account balances to go after something like that. He has a 200K safety net to trade, CB. Hey, what's up, Pedro? Sounds like Kermit the Frog. I always thought Patrick Mahomes sounds like Kermit the Frog. Patrick Mahomes definitely sounds like Kermit the Frog. Guys, my voice is shot. Like, it's actually shot. It's gone. I'm struggling to push sound out now. Yeah, Patrick, I'm hoping we get a retrace overnight. I'm hoping we open up. Wow, I had the right move, huh? I'm hoping we get you can hear me, Moxie? Yeah, I'm forcing sound out. I'm hoping we get the move up overnight. We open up somewhere in between 200 and 300. Get an initial pump off the open on New York Open tomorrow. Like a little more upside. Hopefully into like... like around here somewhere. Like 350 to 370-ish. And then we get a sell. A heavy sell. That's my hope. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. Like, I'm hoping that tonight is just kind of a retrace of some of this. Come back up here, open up around somewhere in between 250 and like 300. Get the opening bell pump. And then sell off from here. Heavy and violent. All the way to down to like 24,800. What's up, Eunice? How are you? That's what I'm hoping for. It's going to be really hard tomorrow to short the hole if we don't get that move. It's going to be very difficult. Yeah, give us a free fall Friday. What's up, Raul? No giveaway today. I'm all out of the giveaways. I got no free accounts to give away. No giveaways. So I guess it's time to use code WEST, guys. It's time to use code WEST. That's how the giveaways happen, is when you guys use code WEST at the props. Giving away knowledge. Yeah. What's up, Robot? How are you? Oh, guys, I might have to call it here soon. My pipes are done. They're done. Gonna use 2 of them tonight. No, I appreciate you guys using code WEST. It really does help. That is how the giveaways happen. And I thank you for all the support. Thank you for tuning in every night. Man, I'm probably gonna call it here, guys. It's getting difficult to talk. I won't be back until guys, the Lions play on Sunday night. So I don't know if I'm gonna stream on Sunday night or not. Maybe what I'll do is go live for the Sunday Open at like 6 p.m. Stay tuned. I might still stream Sunday night. I might just do it earlier than normal. Go live at like 6 p.m. and then end up and wrap it up at like 7:30 or 8 o'clock. Stay tuned. That might happen. But enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Trade safe tomorrow. I hope you make all kinds of bags. Enjoy your weekend. Take the time away from the charts. Go spend time with family and friends. Daily day. No, I don't trade I trade the New York Open. I just don't live stream. Yeah, I appreciate you tuning in, Daily Day Trade. I don't live stream during the New York session currently. I live stream every Sunday through Thursday, starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern typically. This coming Sunday might be a little bit different. Bobby D, we didn't do a giveaway tonight. No giveaways. I don't have any more accounts to give away. Live stream New York. It's like I want to live stream New York, guys. It just hurts. It hurts my channel. Like, it hurts my channel to do it. The analytics aren't good when I stream during New York. Once the channel grows a little bit, I will stream during New York session. I will stream regular trading hours. The trading's a lot better. The movement's a lot better. You guys will learn a lot more, I think. But yeah. We're going to tune out tonight, guys. My voice is gone. To everybody that's new here, welcome. I usually live stream Sunday through Thursday starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. We normally go till about 10:30. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully you find value here. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Trade safe, stay patient, and I will see you all Sunday. Peace.